All right, everyone. Welcome back. Today's session is going to be interesting because the market is moving very aggressively right now, and I want to see how my AI system reacts under this kind of pressure. No hype, no fake results, just a real-time educational breakdown inside Pocket Option. The AI is currently scanning momentum, candle behavior, moving average alignment, and short-term pressure zones. I'm not rushing anything here. I'm simply waiting for the cleanest structure possible before reacting. Let's focus on the chart. Okay, now this is getting interesting. Earlier we had a strong upward push, but look closely. Momentum is starting to slow down. The candles are becoming smaller, volatility is cooling off, and the moving averages are beginning to compress together. That usually tells me the market is losing its aggressive strength temporarily. The AI is detecting weakening pressure near this zone while the oscillator below is also fading gradually. Everything is starting to align here. All right, I'm responding to this setup now. Now, while this plays out, let's actually understand what the AI is seeing behind the scenes. The system isn't trying to predict random movement, it's reacting to behavior. Right now, the AI is analyzing candle expansion, reaction speed, momentum, pressure, and whether the structure is holding consistently. Notice how the candles are no longer exploding upward like before. That's important. When momentum weakens after a strong push, the market often enters a temporary exhaustion phase instead of continuing aggressively. And look at the moving averages. They're flattening out slowly instead of expanding wider. That usually shows slowing energy in the environment. This is exactly why I like structured AI systems. Humans react emotionally when candles move quickly, but the AI focuses only on logic and data. No fear, no panic, no excitement, just structure. Now you can see the market reacting carefully around this level. Small candles, controlled movement, very little explosive pressure. That's exactly what the AI wanted to see before the response. Mid-trade emotional buildup, 240 to 310. Okay, now this is the important moment. The environment is still respecting the structure, but we need the candles to stay controlled here. You can feel the pressure slowing down now. Momentum is clearly weaker than earlier. This is where patience matters most. A lot of people panic during these moments, but the AI stays calm because it only reacts to confirmed behavior. And there we go. Clean reaction. Notice how the structure held perfectly after momentum weakened. That's exactly the type of behavior the AI is designed to identify, not random spikes, not emotional movement, but controlled changes in pressure and momentum. Again, this session was purely educational. The goal is not to promise results. It's to understand how intelligent systems analyze live market behavior in real time. If you enjoyed this type of calm AI breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more educational sessions like this. And if you want to explore the AI system yourself for learning purposes, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.